Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify shuffle. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify shuffle, you should just go to settings here. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors or problems on your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. If you find here in this page, in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.